I'm the Associate Director at the Roskamp Institute in Sarasota, Florida, which is a not-for-profit research institution focused on neurological and neuropsychiatric disorders. Our primary focus has been Alzheimer's disease research, but we also have research programs in traumatic brain injury, multiple sclerosis, post-traumatic stress disorder, cancer, and a number of other conditions. One of the recent breakthroughs that the Institute has achieved is that the work that we've conducted on a compound called nilvadapine has led to it advancing into phase 3 clinical trials in Europe, which is expected to happen in 2012. This is a huge breakthrough because there are very few drugs in clinical trial for Alzheimer's disease at this time. I have always been interested in science, and I was very fortunate that in 1991 I was part of the research team in London that identified the first genetic causes of Alzheimer's disease, and that was during my Ph.D, and that really started my whole career in this field. The favourite part of my job is that I never know exactly what's going to be happening each day. We have new discoveries, new innovations all the time, but I guess really the most important and the most favourite part of my job is that what we are doing here at the Roskamp Institute is actually going to contribute to helping the folks suffering from the conditions that we're tackling. The Roskamp Institute is funded by a lot of different sources, including the National Institutes of Health, the Department of Defense, the Alzheimer's Association, the Veterans Administration, and the Roskamp Foundation. And this funding is absolutely critical because our molecular research is very costly, and we need to be able to move forward as fast as possible into the clinic. And the more funding we have, the faster we're going to be able to translate our basic research findings into clinical practice. I think that what is hot about the Roskamp Institute is that we are very innovative, very flexible, and everything we do is focused at moving forward into the clinic. So really the goal of every research program here is to develop better treatments and better diagnostic approaches.